In this module, we'll discuss working with references. What we have here is our soldier character, and if we go to our reference editor, we'll see that the soldier character is a reference as well as his rifle. So there's a problem with the file on the left hand on the fingers. We can see that if we display the curve editor, and we can see that there's keys in here. And then we see these, which are they look like some sort of blend weight. So somehow the file is seeing those and not seeing, and so we can currently delete those, but that doesn't really solve the issue. What we want to do is reload the reference and get rid of all of this stuff that shouldn't be there. So what we're going to do is we're going to try some different ways to solve the problem, some ways that don't work. And what we'll do first is we'll go and we'll unload the reference file. We'll select this and we'll say unload the reference file. Okay? And then we'll reload. Reload. Now in the file that is referenced, we've corrected the problem, so this should solve the problem. But what we'll find is that once again, selecting the left hand finger controls, going to the graph editor, are ghost keys, or these keys that are existing under this attribute that is located on the IK wrist. Fist, still active. Relaxed, still active. And these are things that we have corrected in an outside reference file. So unloading and reloading doesn't work in this instance. So what we want to do is we want to go to, we'll select our soldier, we'll go here and we'll say replace. Now we'll navigate to where the file is that's correct. In here we'll go to scenes, we'll select our reference, we'll recreate, we'll let the computer do its thing, and what we'll find is that this solves the problem. So we'll reduce that, and what we'll find is here on the IK controller we no longer have fist and relaxed, and as we select the finger controls we see that there's a key in the timeline that wasn't there before. So we'll select that key and we'll delete that key, and as we select our finger controls we'll see that here as we hit F there are no keys. So now we can set keys where we couldn't before. So if we simply hit the S key we see that we have a key. So we'll put a little bit of a pose on that hand, zoom in so we can see that, and that's at frame 5, and we'll see that now we can set keys. So the problem was corrected by going to the editor, reference editor, selecting the reference, going to the drop down tab and saying replace reference. That was the fix. Okay, so that's just a little bit about working with references in Maya.